Hello guys, I'd like to show you how to stop annoying noise from the Deawoo fridge. And the model is DRS30SMI. You can hear the noise. The noise comes from the compressor stabilizer in the back of the fridge. Okay, so what I will do is just open the ones very in the bottom one in the back of the fridge. So the noise come from the back of the fridge. So we unscrew all the screws here, and you see where the noise comes from. The sounds might come from here, this pipe. As you can see, when I hold it, it stops. Or the sounds might come from the fan here. It depends on how the situation is, and sometimes the sound comes from the compressor here. So if it comes from the compressor here, you use a coil and put the coils here to stop the noise. Or if the sound comes from here, it should be clean, or it needs replacing. In my case, it comes from the pipe here, and so I use the cap to stick here. Yep, and no more, which is very annoying. Alright, and I recommend you do a clean here, because after a long time it gathers dust, and clean the water here as well. Okay, all done today.